Hello children, how are you all? Today we are going to learn a new sound, the sound of T. Now, T, T for tomato, T, T, tent, T, T, tooth, T, T, teacher, T, T, tummy, T, T, turtle, T, T, triangle. Now children, it's your turn to repeat after me. Say again, T, T, tomato, T, T, tent, T, T, tooth, T, T, tummy, T, T, teacher, T, T, turtle, T, T, triangle. Now children, I will tell you a story. There were two tigers and their name was Tommy and Terry. They were wearing t-shirts and they were playing around a table. Now they had many toys. They had toys like train, truck, tennis, teddy bear. So now children, we have learned many words of T sound. Now watch this video daily and practice it at home. Children, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.